Hello students, in this video we are going to solve system of equations. We have x plus xy minus y, this is equals to 7, and another equation x square y minus xy square, this is equals to 6. Here we need to calculate all possible values of x and all possible values of y. Let us consider this is an equation number first and this is an equation number second. Look carefully, equation number first is x plus xy minus y, and this is equals to 7. This expression is x. Now if we write minus y plus x times y, this is equals to 7. Equation number second, x square y minus xy square, and this is equals to 6. In left hand side common factor is xy. If we take common xy in left hand side, then x square y divided by xy, then you will get x, minus xy square divided by xy, then you will get minus y, and this is equals to 6. Here we will apply substitution, and if we substitute x minus y, this is equals to m, and x times y, this is equals to n. Then this x minus y is replaced by m plus xy is replaced by n, and this is equals to 7. X minus y is replaced by m, xy is replaced by n, and this is equals to 7. Sorry, this is equals to 6. Now we have two equations, m plus n, this is equals to 7, m n, this is equals to 6. If m plus n, this is equals to 7, then value of n, this is equals to 7 minus m. Here m times this n is replaced by 7 minus m. Here 7 minus m, and this is equals to 6. M is multiplied by 7, then 7m. M is multiplied minus m, then here minus m square, and this is equals to 6. In left hand side coefficient of m square is negative, so first we want make this coefficient of m square is positive. So multiplied both side minus 1, and in right hand side is also multiplied by minus 1. Then this minus 1 is multiplied by 7m. Then here minus 7m, minus 1 is multiplied by minus m square, then here plus m square, and this is equals to 6 is multiplied by minus 1, then this is minus 6. In left hand side this expression is m square minus 7m, this is equals to minus 6. Now if we take all the expressions in same side, then m square minus 7m, and this minus 6 if we take left hand side, then this is plus 6, and this is equals to 0. In left hand side we have a quadratic equation in terms of m square minus minus 7m plus 6, and this is equals to 0. Look carefully, this expression is factorizable. So first if we write m square and minus 7m is same as minus m minus 6m plus 6, and this is equals to 0. Look carefully, first two terms. If we take common m, then m square divided by m, then you will get m, minus m divided by m, then you will get minus 1. And look carefully, last two terms. If we take common minus 6, minus 6m divided by minus 6, then you will get m, plus 6 divided by minus 6, then you will get minus 1, and this is equals to 0. In left hand side common factor is m minus 1, and here m minus 1. Now if we take common m minus 1 in left hand side, then you will get m minus 6, and this is equals to 0. Here this expression is a and this expression is b, and if we apply this rule, if a into b, this is equals to 0, this implies a is equals to 0 or b is equals to 0. If we apply this rule here, then you can say m minus 1, this is equals to 0, m minus 6, this is equals to 0. Here value of m is equals to 1 and here value of m is equals to 6. And look carefully here, n is equals to 7 minus m. N is equals to 7 minus m. N is equals to 7 minus m. Then n is equals to 7 minus m is 1. Then n is equals to 7 minus 1 is 6. So value of m comma n, this is equals to m is 1, then n is 6. Here n is equals to 7 minus m is 6. Then n is equals to 7 minus 6 is 1. So another solution m comma n, this is equals to value of m is 6 and value of n is 1. Let us consider this is in case first and this is case second. So here first we will solve case first. Case first. Case first is m is equals to 1 and n is equals to 6. M is equals to 1, n is equals to 6, and we know that x minus y, this is equals to m, x y, this is equals to n. X minus y, this is equals to m, x y, this is equals to n. Then this m is replaced by x minus y and this is equals to 1. N is replaced by x y, this is equals to 6. Here value of x is equals to y plus 1 and this value of x put here and this x is replaced by y plus 1 times y and this is equals to 6. Y is multiplied by y plus 1, then here y square plus y and this is equals to 6. If we take all the expressions in same side, then y square plus y minus 6 and this is equals to 0. In left hand side we have a quadratic equation in terms of y square plus y minus 6, this is equals to 0. In left hand side this expression is factorizable. Here we will apply middle term split. Y square plus y is same as 3y minus 2y minus 6 and this is equals to 0. Look carefully first two terms. If we take common y, then y square divided by y, then you will get y plus 3y divided by y, then you will get 3. And look carefully last two terms. If we take common minus 2, minus 2y divided by minus 2, then you will get y, minus 6 divided by minus 2, then you will get plus 3 and this is equals to 0. Here y plus 3 and here y plus 3 is common. If we take common y plus 3 in left hand side, then you will get here y minus 2 and this is equals to 0. We have y plus 3 times y minus 2, this is equals to 0. Here we will apply this rule. If a into b, this is equals to 0, this implies a is equals to 0 or b is equals to 0. Let's say this expression is a and this expression is b. If we apply this rule here, then you can say y plus 3, this is equals to 0 or y minus 2, this is equals to 0. Here value of y is equals to minus 3 and here value of y is equals to 2 and x is y plus 1. X is equals to y plus 1 and here x is equals to y plus 1. Then x is equals to y is replaced by minus 3 plus 1. X is equals to minus 3 plus 1 is minus 2. Here x is equals to y is replaced by 2 plus 1. Then x is equals to 3. So our first solution x comma y, this is equals to value of x is minus 2. Then value of y is minus 3. And second solution x comma y, this is equals to value of x is 3. Then value of y is 2. This is first solution and this is second solution. Now solve case second. Case second. And we know that case second is m is equals to 6, n is equals to 1. m is equals to 6, n is equals to 1, and we know that m is x minus y, and this is equals to 6, n is xy, this is equals to 1. Here value of x is equals to y plus 6, and this value of x put here. Then this x is replaced by y plus 6 is multiplied by y, and this is equals to 1. In left hand side, this y is multiplied by 6 plus y. This is same as y square plus 6y, and this is equals to 1. Now if we add both side 9, then in left hand side this expression is perfect square. In left hand side we will apply middle term split. Y square plus 6y is same as 3y plus 3y plus 9, and this is equals to 10. Look carefully first two terms. If we take common y, then you will get here y plus 3. And look carefully last two terms. Here if we take common 3, then you will get here y plus 3, and this is equals to 10. Y plus 3 is common in left hand side. So if we take common y plus 3, then you will get here y plus 3, and this is equals to 10. Y plus 3 times y plus 3 is y plus 3 whole squared, and this is equals to 10. Now here we will apply this rule. If a square is equals to b, this implies a is equals to plus minus square root of b. Then here y plus 3, this is equals to plus minus square root of 10. Then value of y is equals to minus 3 plus minus square root of 10. Here we have two possible values of y. First value of y is equals to minus 3 plus square root of 10. And second value of y is equals to minus 3 minus square root of 10. And we know that value of x is y plus 6. X is equals to y plus 6. And here x is equals to y plus 6. Then x is equals to y is replaced by minus 3 plus square root of 10 plus 6. Then x is equals to minus 3 plus 6 is 3 plus square root of 10. X is equals to y is replaced by minus 3 minus square root of 10 plus 6. Then x is equals to minus 3 plus 6 is 3 minus square root of 10. We have here third solution, x comma y. This is equals to value of x is 3 plus square root of 10. Then value of y is minus 3 plus square root of 10. And fourth solution, x comma y. Here value of x is 3 minus square root of 10. Then value of y is minus 3 minus square root of 10. This is our fourth solution. Students, if you like my videos, then please subscribe my channel, and thank you.